Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel of Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below, and without further delay, let's jump right in. The careers of the future will be led by an intermingling of streams. Here is how. Introduction. A recent report by the World Economic Forum predicts that by 2025, most jobs will require a blend of technical, social, and emotional skills. The world of work is constantly changing and evolving. From the era of specialization and hypersensitization, wherein employees had defined roles focusing on a specific task or domain, the working landscape has come a long way. Today, it's not uncommon for employees to take on a variety of tasks and have a diverse set of skills. Interestingly, future careers are expected to be led by a higher level of cross functionality and a multidisciplinary system of working. Watch this entire video for all you need to know. The way forward, a multidisciplinary approach. Albert Einstein once said, all religions, arts, and science are branches from the same tree. Specialization has long been emphasized in higher education. The majority of students, including those who have not yet enrolled in college, are aware that after taking core classes, they should have to study a particular field of interest. While specialization has paved the way for in-depth exploration to build on expertise in a field. But the current landscape takes it a step further. It demands a heightened synergy between streams and subjects to synthesize concepts from other fields to prepare students for the world of work in a better way. Emerging careers. An interdisciplinary approach to learning encourages students to bring together knowledge and skills from different disciplines. Let's look at some emerging careers that require an integrative approach to learning. Renewable energy engineer. They use a combination of technical skills such as electrical engineering and renewable energy technologies and non-technical skills such as project management and communication to design and implement renewable energy systems. Social media manager. They apply a combination of marketing skills such as content creation and social media strategy and technical skills such as data analysis and social media platform management to manage a company's social media presence and engage with customers. Robotics engineer. They use technical skills such as programming and mechanical engineering and non-technical skills such as problem solving and project management to design and build robots and automated systems. Biomedical engineer. Biology and engineering experts is combined with non-technical skills such as project management and communication to develop medical devices and technologies. Conclusion. To ensure that students have a common thread running through science, business, and humanities, we must focus on creating linkages between all three disciplines. Tomorrow's employers will value collaboration. A report by the McKinsey Global Institute predicts that there will be a growing demand for hybrid jobs that combine technical and non-technical skills such as data analysts who can also communicate effectively with business stakeholders. Thought leaders from various disciplines must work together to find solutions to the complicated issues we currently face, such as climate change, the pandemic, or the role of artificial intelligence. We can put diverse spaces in perspectives by combining several streams, helping the young workforce to achieve success in the dynamic job market of the future. With the current and career of the future involving a blend of different skills and knowledge domains, the education industry needs to step up to prepare students for success. This may involve integrative learning experiences that help learners develop skills and proficiencies necessary to be flexible and adaptable in a rapidly changing employment market. I hope you found this video helpful. As we wrap up, remember the journey doesn't end here. Explore more videos at Profound Insights under the Career Conversations Navigating Success playlist. If you have enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support motivates me to create more videos. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching for the stars. Thank you.